Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be repairing an iPhone 7 Plus. There is a crack right along here. It's hard to see with the black on black, but so we're going to go ahead and replace the screen, do the water seal, and as always I'm going to start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So hope you enjoy. And we are done. So brand new iPhone 7 Plus screen in 12 minutes and 15 seconds. Everything works. This is just a plastic so it doesn't scratch the screen when they ship. And I'll be putting that tempered glass on there as well. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you need an iPhone repair, unlock, anything Apple related, check out our website. I'll leave the link in the description below. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you to my customers, and feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It all helps. So thank you again, and I'll be making more videos shortly. I'll see you guys soon.